Okay, here we go. This is Roger. He's going to give us some useful tips. We're putting a subfloor for a tile floor here on a new mud rig. And he's going to screw that in. Now, he's going to make that flush initially. And why don't you make that flush, Roger? You had an explanation for that.
It's because of the fact that when you're doing sheet vinyl, which we're not doing in this room, but when you're doing sheet vinyl, if you leave it flush and you put your skim coat across this, it will leave a pop. And it'll show up in your vinyl later on.
That's right. I've done that. I've seen that in my linoleum.
So if you take it
now you're going to
and drop it another 1/8 inch, when you fill it, it will all just, you'll never see it in your vinyl.
Perfect. This is Roger and his useful tips. Thank you.
Yeah.